Okay, so part B then, it says calculate an estimate for the interquartile range of these items. Now you'll be familiar with that word range, won't you? Okay, the word range, because range, you think of highest, take away lowest, yeah? However, they put this word in front of it now, interquartile range. Okay, now it still has a similar meaning. We're still going to be looking at the highest and lowest and taking away, but not the actual highest value and not the actual lowest value. We're going to be looking at the quartile values. Okay, hence that word there. And you know about the word quartile, like quarters, yeah. Okay, so we're going to look at a quarter of the data. Now, if we've got 100 items, it was easy to find the median, wasn't it? You knew halfway, the middle one is 50th. Well, there's no problem finding the quarter of the data, yeah? So, if the middle one is 50th, quarter is going to be 25, isn't it? Okay, we're going to be halving it again, in fact. So, middle is 50, yeah? Halving it again will be 25. So, we just need to work out where 25 is on this scale here. Now, you've got 20 and 40 there, so that means 30 is in the middle, okay? Yeah, so get this right. So 30 is in between 20 and 40. So then 25 is here, isn't it? 25 is in the middle of those two. Okay. So if we draw a line there, okay, across. Let me get this right. Let me make sure I get this right. We get the exact value of 25. There you go. So that will be. It's quite a thick line there. You just need to be careful. But that will be where the lower quartile is based, right? There. Quarter of the data. So then we can read down to see what that is. So it hits the graph. Let's read down and see what it is. Well, it's just after 15, isn't it? Okay, it's after 15. So it's not quite 15. It's not going to, we can't write 15 down because it is a bit more. So what does each square represent here? Well, I think each square is going up in 50 pences. If you look at it logically. Okay, so that would be £16 there. The next square. So the one we want is £15.50. Okay. So the lower quartile will be £15.50, okay, and that's what we call the lowest quartile, the first quarter. The upper quartile will be 3/4 of the data. Now, if you think about it, if a quarter is 25, 3/4 will be 75. Okay, 3/4 will be 75. Now, if we look here, 60 and 80. Well, in the middle will be 70. Okay, so 75 is going to be there. That's where the upper quartile is going to be. Okay, so the upper quartile is there. So if we draw a line across, we get the upper quartile, so 3/4 of the data. Okay, we read down. So it hits the graph there. Read down. We can see the price then is that one there. So this is one square before 20. So that will be £19.50, won't it? So the upper quartile is £19.50. Now, to get the interquartile range, and I write down IQR, right? IQR. You do the same idea with range. You do the highest, take away lowest. So we do the highest here, the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile, and then you can get the range then of the middle part of the data, right? The upper quartile, take away the lower quartile, and you actually get up that. And I don't know why I've written £40 down. It's actually £4, isn't it? When you take them away. So the interquartile range is £4.